Good evening everyone guys. So how to unboxing this review this is a Kodak camera. There is a KB-10. There is the unboxing review this Kodak, and I take it this unboxing review. Here you go. First up, you need to take a use my screwdriver right end, and take a use this slide the grab off, and let this stick around. Okay, and let this take a use what's inside this box. Open it. There is the what's inside. There's a case here. There's this camera here. Okay, here's a vintage camera. Here's a Kodak film, and there is a camera is Kodak, and there is the low film, and there is a flash. There's a flash here. And there is a camera, vintage camera here. There is the best 90s. So there is a Kodak film. There is a camera film. Here is a camera. Here is the case here. Okay, so there is a headset. There is a video audio cable. There you go. There is parts here. There you go. Okay, so there is this Kodak. This is a KB-10 vintage camera old. There is a service, the 1-year warranty, and thanks guys, and soon.